Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, May 4th, 2011. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 17 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning at 13.52 and a quarter. We were right in between our two both our 4 and our 415 gap. Quickly filled those, and the market came down underneath our moving average, actually gave us a signal to get short. Same thing as yesterday. We were able to get the first contract off, ended up getting stopped out on the tight stops that we use on the adjustment, only to see the trade go on to win. So another one of those T1 minus 2 trades that ultimately went in the direction we were looking for as the market pushed down into the 10 o'clock reversal time. At the 10 o'clock reversal time, we actually broke underneath yesterday's low, came up, and this was a fast move. There was like before the news announcement, the market started picking up speed and continued down. There was actually a trade setup here on the retest that kind of kissed and went. It's not an official trade setup. It's definitely one that we looked at in the room, and the market came back, kissed the breakdown level of yesterday's low, and went on down and was able to go ahead and fall off another 3 or so points there. Then we basically got into a little sideways bounce. It bounced up and then came back down through our moving average, gave a signal to get short, ultimately went down, kind of retested the lows. Targets 1 and targets 2 were hit for 8 ticks. Came in that 10:45 reversal time. Again, we got another bounce. This one bounced hard enough it actually gave us a signal. We were able to get our first contract off, and there was a longer term resistance line we actually told and talked about in the room about this resistance level here at the swing high. So there wasn't an opportunity to just take a small bite there, but from a signal standpoint, we have to keep our stops and look for targets too, and we ended up getting stopped out of this T1 minus 2 on that particular trade. And then finally it was the 11:15 reversal time. We actually had another signal to get short. We were able to get our first contract off, and the market just started to chop here a little bit as it went into the lunchtime dead zone. Ultimately broke down, but you can see with the height of this swing, obviously our stop was hit, so that's why that's a T1 minus 2 there heading into the dead zone. Ended up bottoming out towards the end of lunch and came back through our moving average, and it bottomed out right near some longer term support, which is that old breakout. If you remember on the daily chart, if you look, you'll see that inverted head and shoulder. We're getting close to testing that neckline. Found a lot of momentum off of that area, came through our moving average and actually pulled back to our moving average, gave a signal to get long, and this was a nice large swing, produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside in this case for 15 ticks, and then that was the last opportunity we had of the day. So all in all, it was a pretty good day. There was some opportunities earlier in the morning, and then this long trade here in the afternoon. Ended up with 5 trades today for 17 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.